Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Bankers. In today's session, we will be discussing about Module C, that is Banking Technology in PPB for the upcoming JAIIB exams. I have already posted two videos on Module A and B. Kindly do go through that so that the chances of clearing the exams are more. Let's start off with question number 1. Bank branches linked through a single centralized database enabling customers to transact from any branch are operating under which system? Is it distributed banking, the core banking solution, the parallel processing, or the decentralized ledger? And the right answer for this is option B, core banking solution. A core banking solution centralizes data and processes across the branches, allowing anywhere banking. It improves the control, reconciliation, and the real-time MIS, forming the backbone of digital channels. Coming to question number 2, which component of the banking software ensures that one staff member inputs a transaction while another authorizes it? Is it single sign-on? Is it maker checker? Is it a dual login or a session control? These are all questions on the day-to-day basis work of a bank. And the answer is option B, maker checker. The maker checker control enforces dual authorization, preventing errors or frauds by requiring two independent actions. It supports internal control objectives under the operational risk framework recommended by the RBI's IT governance guidelines. Question number 3. Before migration from legacy software to the CBS, cleansing of duplicated or incomplete records is termed what? Before migration from legacy software to the CBS, cleansing of duplicated or incomplete records is termed as what? People nowadays use CBS, but there was a software called legacy that was used before 2007, I suppose. And the right answer is it data replication? Is it data validation? Is it data mirroring or data hashing? And the right answer for this is data validation. Data validation ensures completeness and correctness before migration. Improper cleansing can cause reconciliation gaps and regulatory reporting errors. It's a key audit checkpoint during the CBS implementation. So in legacy software, maximum things were manually done. And if you forget to update a transaction, the whole transaction used to be deleted and re-entered from the beginning. So end of the day was also the start of the day at some branches due to missing out of some transaction. Question number 4. In a typical 3-tier CBS architecture, which layer executes the business rules and the transaction logic? Is it the presentation layer, the application layer, the database layer, or the network layer? Which one do you think is the layer that executes the business rules and transaction logic? And the right answer is the application layer. The application layer hosts core business logics, that is interest calculation, limit checks, and the GL posting. So the application layer is the main layer that executes the business rules and the transaction logic. Question number 5. When a branch cannot connect to the central server due to hub link failure, the issue relates to which network topology risk? Is it the star topology, the mesh topology, the bus topology, or the ring topology? When a branch cannot connect to the central server due to the hub link failure, what kind of issue is related and to which type of topology? And the right answer is star topology. CBS networks often use a star topology. Each branch links to a hub. A hub outage or a link failure halts dependent branches. Redundancy and also alternate routing are mandatory under the business continuity policies. So whenever there is a star topology, there are more chances of a hub link failure. Coming to question number 6, automatic duplication of transaction data to a disaster recovery site in real time is known as what? Is it backup? Is it replication? Is it archiving or is it mirroring? When there is automatic duplication of the transaction data to your DRS site, disaster recovery site, it is known as what? The right answer is replication. Replication keeps a live copy of data at a remote DR site for quick recovery. RBI's central resilience framework requires the near real life replication and the periodic DR drills to be also conducted to ensure the minimal downtime of the network. Coming to question number 7, rules like interest rate slabs or penal charges configured within the CBS without code change represent what? Is it coding? Is it parameterization? Is it debugging or a compilation? And the right answer here will be parameterization, which allows flexible product setup without altering the core code, enabling quick policy updates and ensuring the audit traceability also. Parameterization also supports efficient product lifecycle management. So the right answer here is option B, parameterization. Question number 8, a document that defines field names, data types, and structures, ensuring the uniform interpretation across banking application is known as, or banking application is what? Is it a data schema? Is it a data dictionary? Is it a metadata index or a core repository? What is the right answer for this? A document that defines the field names, the data types, and structures, ensuring uniform interpretation. And that document is known as data dictionary. It standardizes the information definitions essential for consistent regulatory reporting and the MIS. So the right answer is data dictionary. Question number 9. The CBS process that captures who did what and when for every transaction is called logging, audit trail, versioning, or archival. The CBS process that captures who did what and when. So it is easy to know who is the maker and checker. It is an audit trail, which ensures non-repudiation and traceability, critical for the forensic investigation and compliance also. Question number 10. In CBS integration, which component allows ATMs, the mobile applications, and internet banking systems to communicate with the core application? Is it the firewall? Is it the middleware? Is it the gateway router or the load balancer? In a CBS integration, which component allows ATMs, mobile applications, and internet banking systems to communicate with the core application? The right answer here will be option B, middleware. Middleware acts as an interface layer linking delivery channels with the core engine that by translating messages and maintaining the transaction integrity. Coming to question number 11. NEFT transactions are settled by RBI in batches throughout the day. Which characteristic distinguishes NEFT from RTGS? Is it real-time settlement? Is it deferred net settlement? Minimum value of rupees 2 lakh? Or is it cross-border remittance? What distinguishes NEFT from RTGS? And the right answer is deferred net settlement. NEFT uses the deferred net settlement, where transactions are processed in half-hourly batches, unlike the RTGS, which is continuous and a real-time settlement system. It also has a minimum value of 2 lakh. And unlike RTGS, which is also a real-time settlement system. Coming to question number 12. In RTGS, what is the minimum permissible transaction amount for the customer's transfer? We had discussed the same in the previous question. It is 2 lakh. Option C, 2 lakh. Question number 13. A UPI transaction involves multiple entities. Which participant actually holds the customer's account? A UPI transaction involves multiple entities. Which participant actually holds the customer's account? Is it the payment service provider, the PSP? Is it the issuer bank? Is it the NPCI or the beneficiary app? Which participant actually holds the customer's account? So account is held at a bank. So the right answer is option B, issuer bank. It maintains the customer's actual account. PSPs and NPCI only facilitate routing and authentication. Coming to question number 14. When a user makes a UPI payment through Google Pay, which institution is responsible for authenticating the transaction? Is it NPCI, the bank linked to the customer's VPA, the UPI application provider, or the beneficiary? Which institution is responsible for authenticating the transaction? So who authenticates the transaction? Does the NPCI send you a message or the UPI app provider send a message? It is automatically the bank linked to the customer's VPA, the customer's bank. And this can be explained as the UPI authentication happens at customer's linked bank, not the app. The app merely is an interface with the NPCI switch. So bank linked to the customer's VPA authenticates the transaction. Coming to question number 15. The BBPS, the Bharat Bill Payment System, is designed primarily for what purpose? Is it for bulk NEFT transfers, utility bill payments, credit card settlements, or the tax payment? What is it? What is BBPS used for, or what is it designed for? It is designed for utility bill payments. Option B, utility bill payments. BBPS provides an interoperable platform for repetitive bill payments like the electricity, water, DTH, and telecom. It ensures standardizations and grievance redressal regulated by the NPCI under the RBI's Payment and Settlements System Act 2007. Question number 16. IMPS provides fund transfer on a 24/7 basis through which core feature? Is it batch clearing? Is it immediate credit? Is it deferred settlement or a offline authorization? IMPS, the full form says it, immediate payment service. So this enables the real-time interbank transfers, that is 24/7, including holidays. It is a precursor to a UPI built by NPCI and uses MMID or the mobile linked identifiers. Question number 17. In UPI 2.0, which feature allows the merchants to collect payments after the goods are delivered? Is it mandated with block feature? Is it auto debit? Is it the overdraft facility or the VPA request? in UPI 2.0, which feature allows the merchants to collect payments after goods are delivered. So in UPI 2.0, this was introduced. That is option A, the mandate with block feature. It lets the customers authorize payment in advance while funds remain blocked until the merchant confirmations. Nowadays, this is being used in the purchase of shares, that is the IPOs. Question number 18. RBI's payment aggregator guidelines requires the PAS to maintain customer funds in their own business account, a nodal account with a scheduled commercial bank, customer's wallet, or the fintech escrow account. Their own business account, a nodal account with a scheduled commercial bank, customer's wallet, or the fintech escrow account. And the right answer here will be option B, a nodal account with a scheduled commercial bank. Nodal accounts isolate the customer's fund from the aggregator's operational funds, so ensuring settlement integrity. Question number 19. Which of the following is a key advantage of tokenization in card payments? Is it faster clearing? Is it PAN substitution for random token? Is it higher interchange fees or a reduced MDR? And the right answer is PAN substitution with a random token. So tokenization replaces the actual card number, that is PAN, with unique token for each merchant, enhancing security by preventing data theft. Coming to question number 20. An e-banking portal fails to authenticate customers during a DDoS attack. Which control would most directly ensure the service continuity? Is it an alternate static IP? Is it load balancing and rate limiting? Is it disabling OTP or the changing of DNS? And the right answer is load balancing with rate limiting, which mitigates denial of service attack by distributing the traffic and blocking abusive requests. So the right answer will be option B, load balancing and rate limiting. Now let's jump to a case study. Question number 21 to 25 will be a case study, as in my previous videos also. So case study 1. ABC Bank has migrated all branches to a unified core banking solution integrated with UPI, NEFT, and mobile channels. After going live, customers begin reporting inconsistent balances and failed digital payments. The bank's technology operations and audit teams must diagnose control failures and regulatory compliance issues. So this is a statement given. From there, we are going to have 5 questions. That is, during migration, several transactions were processed simultaneously at both the old and new CBS environments, leading to duplication of entries. Which control failure most accurately describes the situation? Which control failure most accurately describes the situation? So which one of this is the best? Is it missing data validation? Is it absence of concurrent control? Is it parameter misconfiguration or a authentication bypass? Which one of this is the answer? And the right answer is absence of concurrent control. So without concurrent control, 2 systems update the same records concurrently, creating duplication. So banking systems must enforce unique transaction IDs and locking mechanisms for this. RBI's IT framework of 2016 and later updated in the year 2023 emphasizes transaction integrity, validation during the parallel run and the switchover stages. So the most accurate answer for this is absence of concurrency control. Question number 22. Following CBS interaction with UPI, customers see successful debit messages, but beneficiaries never receive credits. Log analysis shows message timeouts between the bank's middleware and the NPCI switch. What is the likely root cause for this? Is it reconciliation delay? Is it message queue failure? Is it incurrent IFSC mapping or a core latency? Is it reconciliation delay? Is it message queue failure? Is it incurrent IFSC mapping or a core app latency? The right answer here will be it is a message queue failure. A message queue failure between the middleware and the UPI switch breaks the end-to-end transaction chain. So debits happen locally, but the outward confirmation never reaches the NPCI. So robust message queuing with retry and acknowledgement protocols ensure atomicity and prevents the orphan transactions. So when there is a message queue failure, I think you would have understood what happens. That is, a message is sent from the middleware, but it never reaches the other end. So this is message queue failure. Coming to question number 23. The reconciliation team notes that NEFT outward files transmitted to RBI show slight mismatches with the CVS totals. Which process should be immediately implemented to prevent future variances? Is it daily physical vouchers, automated maker checker reconciliation scripts, manual voucher reentry, or limiting NEFT transactions per branch? So limiting NEFT transactions is never going to happen. Manual voucher reentry was the work of the past. Daily physical vouchers is also a work of the past. So nowadays it is totally automated, and the answer is option B, automated maker checker reconciliation scripts. So whenever there is a maker checker reconciliation or compare CBS postings with the payment gateway files in real time, isolating variances instantly. So manual cross checks invite errors and delay regulatory settlement also. Coming to question number 24. During an audit, it is discovered that tellers can view but not modify passwords of customers' net banking profiles. However, they can reset passwords after internal authentication. Which access control model is being applied here? Is it a mandatory access control, a role-based access control, discretionary access control, or attribute-based access control? What will be the answer for this? That is, during an audit, it is discovered that the tellers can view but not modify the passwords of customers' net banking profiles, but they can reset the passwords after internal authentication. Which access control model is being applied? And the right answer is role-based access control. The RBAC restricts permissions by defined duties. Tellers can reset but not view password. This prevents privilege abuse while enabling the operational continuity also. RBI's cyber security framework also mandates least privilege and role segregation to mitigate any insider role or insider risks also. Question number 25. This will be the last question in this case study, and then we'll be continuing with the normal questions. A large volume of IMPS failures is traced to the CBS being unavailable to update balances in real time due to peak hour loads. What system enhancement would most directly resolve this issue? Is it a manual end of day adjustment? Is it implementation of a synchronized processing with queue prioritization? Is it the batch window expansion or increasing the teller writes? And the right answer is asynchronous queued processing decouples message receipt from the posting, allowing scalability under the heavy load while maintaining the transaction order. So implementation of asynchronous processing with queue prioritization is the right answer. It's critical in high throughout systems like IMPS and UPI. Coming to question number 26, and this is about cyber security principle. So which cyber security principle ensures that sensitive banking data can be accessed only by authorized users and systems? Is it integrity, the availability, confidentiality, or authentication? It comes in the triad. And the right answer is confidentiality. It protects the information from unauthorized access or disclosure. So banking systems enforce it through encryption, access controls, and secure key management also. So what is the triad? What is the CIA triad? It is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This should be the foundation to secure banking operations also. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The CIA triad. Coming to question number 27. During cyber incident responses, log shows that attackers modified interest rate configuration tables without changing the audit trails. So which core security principle failed? Is it integrity, the confidentiality, non-repudiation, or availability? Which core security principle failed in this? And the right answer will be integrity. It ensures information remains accurate and unaltered. Tampering with rate tables without traceability reveals weak change control and lack of integration validity. Banks must deploy the file integrity monitoring, that is the FIM, maker checker for configuration, and immutable locks under the RBI's governance standards. Coming to question number 28. A bank experiences ransomware encrypting its CBS backup servers. Operations continue, but no offsite copies exist. What critical control was missing? There was a ransomware encrypting its CBS backup servers. As the operation continues, there was no offsite copies that exist. So which or what critical control was missing? Was it the antivirus software, offline, or the air-gapped backup? Was it the staff awareness or the patch management? And the right answer here is offline or the air-gapped backup. An offline backup, isolated from the main network, is essential to recover from a ransomware. RBI's IT and Cyber Resilience Circular of 2022 mandates offline DR copies and periodic restoration drills also for this. Coming to question number 29. A customer receives a phishing email mimicking bank stationery requesting KYC update through a fake link. Which single best control mitigates such attacks? Is it the two-factor authentication, the customer awareness and phishing stimulation drills, SSL certification on the bank side, or a strong password policy? What will help? Which is the single best control that mitigates such attacks? And the single best one will be customer awareness and phishing simulation drills. Because two-factor authentication, SSL certificate, and strong password policy are always there, but customer awareness and phishing simulation drills. Human vigilance is very critical, and awareness campaigns and these drills drastically cut the social engineering success rates. Coming to question number 30, which control ensures transactions executed online cannot later be denied by the customer or staff? Which control ensures that transactions executed online cannot be later be denied by the customer or staff? Is it encryption, non-repudiation, confidentiality, or authentication? And the right answer for this will be non-repudiation. It relies on digital signatures and secure locks that bind the transactions to its originator. So, non-repudiation ensures transactions executed once cannot later be denied by the customer or by any staff. Coming to question number 31. A fraudster clones customers' debit card data from an unsecured POS machine and withdraws cash abroad. Which control could have prevented the fraud? End-to-end encryption, that is a EMV chip and a PIN, two-factor OTP for ATM, SMS alerts after use, or none of the above. Which control could have prevented this kind of fraud? Whenever you are having a EMV chip plus a PIN, it eliminates the static magnetic strip duplication by using a dynamic cryptograms. So RBI mandated EMV migration in 2018. So the right answer is end-to-end encryption, that is by EMV chips plus the PIN. Question number 32. In a digital banking environment, which regulation legally recognizes electronic records and digital signatures in India? Is it the Companies Act 2013, the IT Act 2000, the PSS 2007, or the BR Act 1949? When it comes to the digital banking environment, it automatically goes to the Information Technology Act 2000. The IT Act 2000 provides legal recognition for electronic records and signatures, enabling the paperless banking and e-contracts. Section 4 of this IT Act grants validity to the electronic data also, and Section 3 and 5 outlines the digital signature authenticity, forming the legal base for e-banking. Question number 33. In online banking, customers are required to use passwords, OTP, and device building. Together, these constitute what? Is it a single-factor authentication, a multi-factor authentication, an encryption, or a firewall protection, wherein they are using passwords, OTP, and device binding? So when they are using multiple things, it is called a multi-factor authentication. It combines something you know, that is a password, something you have, the device or the OTP, and something you are, that is a biometric thing. So it is a multi-factor authentication. Coming to question number 34. A DDoS attack floods the bank's internet gateway, causing denial of service. Which combination of controls provide the most risk-silent protection? Is it firewalls and routers? Is it load balancers plus rate limiting plus auto scaling? Is it antivirus only or none of the above? We have discussed the same question earlier also. And the right answer is load balance plus rate limiting plus the auto scaling. Effective DDoS mitigation layers load balancing, rate limiting, and auto scaling to observe or deflect the malicious traffic. RBI expects critical banks to maintain 99.95% availability through resilient infrastructure and the DR failover test periodically to get away from a DDoS attack. Question number 35. Under RBI cyber security framework, banks must report any unusual cyber event to RBI within what period? Is it 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, or 7 days? And the right answer here is 24 hours. Reporting within 24 hours of detection is mandatory because early intimation enables the regulator coordination and containment rules. Question number 36. Blockchain-based banking applications primarily enhance which key element? Is it centralized control, transparency and immutability, secrecy of records, or data anonymization? So blockchain ensures tamper-proof, time-stamped ledgers where transactions are verified by consensus. This transparency benefits trade finance and cross-border settlements also. Question number 37. An NBFC integrates with a bank under co-lending through open APIs. Which risk arises if APIs lack proper authentication? Is it data duplication? Is it unauthorized data access? Is it latency delay? Or option D, the network redundancy? Open APIs must enforce strong authentication or authorization. So without this, partner systems could access or alter the customer data. So of this, what happens is unauthorized data access is being done. Question number 38. Artificial intelligence credit scoring engines pose which emerging compliance risk? Is it algorithmic bias, data availability, system latency, or overtraining? And the right answer will be algorithmic bias, which may discriminate inadvertently. Normally, the RBI and BAS call for explainable AI and the periodic fairness audits also. Explainable AI also called as XAI. So the right answer is algorithmic bias. Question number 39. Which cyber fraud tactic manipulates employees into revealing confidential data through calls or messages? Is it spoofing? Is it wishing, farming, or keylogging? And the right answer is wishing, that is voice phishing. Uses social engineering over the phone calls. Employees' awareness and callback verification are the best defenses in this. Question number 40. An AI-based transaction monitoring system identifies multiple false positives daily. Which corrective step best improves its accuracy? Is it to reduce threshold values, retrain the model with balanced dataset and feedback loop? Is it to disable the alerts, or are all the above right? And the right answer will be to retrain the model with balanced dataset and feedback loop. Model drift requires retraining with a balanced data and a supervised feedback mechanism. This refines the precision without compromising the directions also. Question number 41. A two-factor authentication in internet banking is implemented through which of the following? Is it password plus OTP? Is it username plus email? Is it PAN plus Aadhaar, or none of the above? One of the easiest questions in this session. And the right answer is password and OTP because everyone is using it. You know what happens. Question number 42. Which of the following actions form part of a sound cyber security policy? Is it periodic vulnerability assessment, incident response plans, employee training, or all of the above? Which one is the right one? Is it periodic vulnerability assessment, incident response plan, employee training, or all of the above? Which of the following action forms part of a sound cybersecurity policy? And the right answer here is option D, all of the above. A holistic cybersecurity policy must include regular vulnerability assessments that are defined with incident response playbooks and the ongoing staff awareness also. Coming to question number 43. A bank observes that its mobile banking application collects GPS, contacts, and SMS data. What legal principle requires explicit customer consent before such data is processed? Is it lawful basis of processing? Is it data anonymization? Is it encryption? Or is it data masking? And the right answer will be option A, lawful basis of processing. The lawful basis principle under India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023 mandates clear, informed consent from the personal data processing. Question number 44. When a bank's firewall fails and intruders gain database access, but no data alteration occurs, which aspect of the CIA triad is primarily affected? Availability, confidentiality, integrity, or none of the above? When the firewall fails and intruders gain database access. And the right answer, as discussed earlier, it is confidentiality. Coming to question number 45. Which of the following represent effective digital banking fraud prevention techniques or technologies? Is it a transaction pattern monitoring, geolocation controls, customer behavioral analytics, or all of the above? Which of the following represent effective digital banking fraud prevention techniques? Transaction pattern monitoring, geolocation controls, customer behavioral analytics, or all of the above? And the right answer is all of the above. Fraud prevention today relies on the layered analytics, pattern recognition, location tracking, and the behavior profiling also. So RBI encourages data-driven monitoring systems that are integrated with early warning alerts to strengthen operational resilience. Now, we have come to question number 46. The last 5 questions, we will be going through a case study again. Here, XYZ Bank, a mid-sized private bank, faces a suspected cyber attack that disrupts online banking services and exposes the customer's information. The CISO, IT, and the compliance teams must coordinate containment, reporting, and restoration efforts within the RBI's prescribed frameworks. So during the investigation, the CISO identifies that the attacker gained access through an unpatched public-facing API. Which phase of the cybersecurity lifecycle failed in this instance? Is it detection? Is it prevention? Is it response? Or option D, the recovery? Which one will be the right answer? And the right answer will be option B, prevention. The prevention phase failed. Unpatched APIs represent a lapse in vulnerability management and the patch governance. Question number 47. XYZ Bank reports the incident to RBI Cybersecurity and the Information Technology Examination Cell after 48 hours. Which regulatory requirement did it violate? So, in what time should the bank had informed RBI? Is it A, 72-hour window rule, B. 24-hour incident reporting mandate, C. Annual audit report clause, or D. None of the above. And the right answer will be 24-hour incident reporting mandate, wherein RBI mandates cyber incidents reporting within 24 hours of detection. So this immediate disclosure enables the regulator to lead containment for the same thing. Question number 48. Upon analyzing server logs, it is found that the logs were overwritten automatically after 7 days. Which technical and compliance failure does this indicate? Data retention non-compliance, access control failure, encryption bypass, or none of the above? Is it data retention non-compliance, access control failure, encryption bypass, or none of the above? And the right answer here is option A, data retention non-compliance, which violates the RBI stipulation for retaining logs for at least 180 days and longer for the critical systems. So overwriting logs removes the forensic evidences. So the right answer is data retention, and it is to be retained for a period of minimum 180 days. After the breach, XYZ Bank wants to notify customers whose personal data was compromised. Which principle from the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 applies here? Is it data localization? Is it right to information? Is it data portability or cross-border consent? Here, XYZ Bank wants to notify its customers. So it is the right of information to the customers. So the right answer is option B. The right to information ensures that the affected individuals are notified with their personal data is compromised. This transparency promotes the trust and is aligned with the DPDP Act of 2023, requiring prompt data breach communication and cooperation with the Data Protection Board. Coming to the last question of the session, the post-incident forensic audit recommends strengthening the bank's resilience by incorporating redundancy and failover systems at multiple data centers. Which policy objective does this setup primarily achieve? Is it data privacy? Is it business continuity? Is it IT governance or a audit compliance? And the right answer here will be business continuity. It ensures uninterrupted service through redundancy, failover system, and a disaster recovery. So with this, we come to an end of the session. I hope you would have liked this. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Brilliant Bankers. This is Nishant signing off. Jai Hind.